Yo gentle people, Bunny here, Wagwan. So welcome back to BLA Productions, and of course you've seen the intro, you've seen the title of the video, you obviously know what this video is about. So I'll just jump straight to it and say, hey, thanks. Thanks for 10,000 subscribers. It's crazy to think that we've come so far in just 1 year. I mean, it could be further, but it's still a lot in the grand scheme of things, and I just want to, it's one of those milestones, those points in like your quote-unquote YouTube career where I must express thanks, because it's all of you out there who have been watching, who have been commenting, who have been subscribing, that have made the channel what it is, and essentially you guys are the ones that actually grew the channel to this point. So it'd be wrong of me not to say thanks, right? So here it is, thanks. And I just hope that you guys stick around with the channel here in 2019 as we push forward with more content just for you, the family, of course. So just be sure to stick around. Of course, in 2019 we want to make a push for more original content. The Ghetto Parent that premiered 10 o'clock this morning, we want to do more, should I say, skits or little mini series just like that for you guys here in 2019. I probably won't make a promise on the exact date where you'll start consistently getting stuff like that, but that's just one of the plans that we have in the pipeline here at BLA Productions. Of course, what I will also say is that I want to give a shout out to all the persons who actually participate in the polls that I do, like the questions I ask that you see pop up in your YouTube news feed or subscription feed. Of course, those questions were, the intention was to kind of gauge what you guys would be interested in, of course, naturally speaking. And I just want to give a shout out to everyone who actually participated in those polls. They were interesting, I suppose, in terms of the results. Not everyone that's subscribed to the channel participated, but for those who did, a shout out to all of you. Of course, what I'll also say again is the fact that, yeah, we have a number of plans for 2019. As I said, the more original content, just like Ghetto Parent. If you haven't checked out Ghetto Parent that premiered today, it was like around 10 o'clock today. You should definitely check that out. Let me know what you think on that video. But yeah, the basic gist is more videos like that. Of course, we actually want to eventually start doing like vlogs on the channel, with the actors and actresses that would be coming up, like just like Monique, for example. She's gonna be like a recurring or dominant presence in terms of the her actress presence, I suppose. She'll be a recurring character on the channel, and I hope you guys grow to love her if you don't already love her already, because I love her. I'm just saying. So that's just really it. Thanks again, 10,000, and I just hope we can push forward to, I don't know, hopefully 100,000 by the end of 2019. I don't know, goals. So just that. Of course, you already know that the plays are here on the channel anytime for you guys to watch. So whether it be, you know, Shebada Goes to School, the Driva, Money Worries, it doesn't really matter, honestly. It's always here for you guys whenever you guys want to just load something up and have something to watch with the family. And in addition to the plans that we have in the pipeline, more original content, more special interactions with actors that we're trying to set the link with as the weeks and months go by. Of course, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, hit the notification buttons for, you know, just to stay in touch, stay in the loop for whenever I do upload, and, you know, we start implementing or executing these plans that we have in place, or on paper at least, for 2019. So that's all I have for this one, people. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you again for an amazing year so far, 2018 to 2019, and I just hope we can all push together, make 2019 awesome, generate some great content for you guys, to say the least. And yeah, so Bunny here, honestly, Maria Alono. So just take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one.